Functions of culture. Culture performs some functions within an organization. First, it has a boundary-defining role. It creates distinctions between one organization and another. Second, it conveys a sense of identity for organization members. Third, culture facilitates the generation of commitment to something larger than one's individual self-interest. Fourth, it enhances the stability of the social system. Culture is the social glue that helps hold the organization together by providing appropriate standards for what employees should say and do. Finally, culture serves as a sense-making and control mechanism that guides and shapes employees' attitudes and behavior. It is this last function that is of particular interest to us. The role of culture in influencing employee behavior appears to be increasingly important in today's workplace. As organizations have widened spans of control, flattened structures have been introduced, and teams reduced formalization and empowered employees. The shared meaning provided by a strong culture ensures that everyone is pointed in the same direction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.